Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the left engine mount of the transmission mount on Peugeot 207 1.6 HDI. The transmission mount that I'm going to be replacing is located underneath the battery. So in order to get access to the transmission mount, we need to remove the battery and battery housing. Here I'm trying to show you what's underneath the battery, but there is nothing you can see. In order to get to see it, we need to remove this battery housing and the air intake hose as well. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we need to remove this metal plate that's underneath the battery housing. There is all these bolts that hold it that I'm removing, but there is one more bolt that is just underneath the car. It's just behind the wheel arch liner. In order to remove that metal plate, we need to remove the wheel arch liner in order to remove that bolt. That's the wheel arch liner removed, and that's the bolt that we need to remove in order to remove that metal plate that's underneath the battery. And now we can remove the metal plate. Once we remove the metal plate, then we have access to the transmission mount. Before removing the transmission mount, we need to put a jack underneath the engine. That's the transmission mount right there. It's held by 3 nuts. One in the middle and 2 on each side. The other 3 bolts are holding the metal plate that is holding the transmission mount. If you only want to replace the transmission mount, all you need to remove is the 3 nuts. Once you remove the 3 nuts, then you can lift up the transmission mount, and then you can put on the new transmission mount. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.